As you know, my youngest brother passed away, and it's very, very sad. And I just want to say thank you to everybody because I got a lot of support from everybody, and I really appreciate that. And so I just want to say thank you. I asked you all to bring canned goods because my brother Lee volunteered at a food bank in Orlando. And when he moved to Tampa in November, he volunteered immediately at the food bank in Tampa. And that was something that was a passion of his and something that was important to him. And so we're going to take all this food. If you look over here, we have so many cans and food. There's probably hundreds of pounds right there that we brought tonight. And I want to say thank you. And we're going to donate that to a local food bank in Pasco County and do that in my brother Lee's honor. So I want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
All right, we loaded up all of the food items that the VantagePoint team brought together so that we can donate to a local food bank in my brother's honor. And we've just loaded all of it into the back of my truck, as you can see. And now we're going to be taking it over to the local food bank. All right, they're unloading my truck right now, taking all the canned goods and food items that we brought together. Everyone on the VantagePoint team contributed. And you can see behind me, this is the facility where they're going to process all of the canned goods and food items to make sure it gets into the right hands. What's really great about this is that this food bank actually is 5 minutes away from the VantagePoint headquarters. So we know that the food's going to get to people right here in our local community. So let me just see if someone can tell us a little bit about this. Could you tell us a little bit about who the food items are going to help and benefit?
This is the Life Community Center, and we are a food pantry plus other opportunities if you need help with food stamps and things like that. We are here in the neighborhood of Angus Valley, and every Friday we open up our doors and we feed anywhere from 250 to 350 families.
Thank you so much. We're doing this in honor of my brother who passed away last month. He volunteered at a local food bank, and so everyone on my VantagePoint team came together. We brought all these, and we're just glad to be able to help those in the local community. So.
And we thank you very much because we are always, especially this time of year with the holidays just passing by, we're always in need, and we just appreciate anything you guys did.
Absolutely. We'll do it again. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.